This is a unique service. This company's been in business since 100 years, and they sharpen knives.
Do I look that old?
No. You know, when most people, they buy cheap knives, so they don't sharpen, but all the restaurants here in Coronado, they have to have good knives.
Exactly.
So that you own the knives, and you just...
We provide them, yeah.
So you kind of lease the knives.
Exactly.
So let me see one. That's just for Leroy's Kitchen.
Yeah,
Leroy's. They got some. Wow, well, pull one out.
The Woodhouse.
Let me see. So, this is good steel, huh?
Yeah.
You use very good. Oh, look at that. That's para mi suegra. Okay, so you know what? I'll give you a little plug. This is called Never a Dull Moment, huh?
Exactly. Pro Edge knife.
What a cool little business. It's not the old knife sharpening business. These guys own.
Used to be. Look, here's the wheel.
Wow, look at that. So you got Village Pizza, McPee's, Cafe 11th, all of the restaurants in Coronado.
Here,
every single one is, but not these ones.
No, these ones are in
San Diego. And Rhinoceros. So everyone's got their own knives, supplied by you. They never have to worry. You sharpen them.
Yeah.
Come back once a month?
Every
twice?
2 weeks.
Every 2 weeks.
Yeah.
Oh, all right. Well, that's great.
We got really good deals, you know.
And what's your name?
Lionel.
Lionel, you look so good for 100 years old, man. And who is your sidekick here?
Thank you. This is my son, Victor.
Ah, nice.
Victor.
So you have little and big.
Yeah.
Junior? Do you get mad when people say Junior?
No.
Because it's F.A., man, the man. All right, guys, really cool business and really some nice people here. So, as I say, I'll have you come over and look at my mother-in-law for an estimate.
We'll look for free.